I believe sound sleep starts with being in a comfortable and relaxing environment. It sounds easy, but many of us experience night sweating, insomnia, and breakouts in the morning. As a pillow expert, I'd love to help. Introducing Dullo WaveTex Pillowcase by Cotton Shower. Incredibly comfortable and beautifully designed. Let me explain. Dullo WaveTex Pillowcase is engineered with WaveTex. In close-up, its pattern is irregular and three-dimensional, just like a million waves on the ocean. Sound on and listen to this. WaveTex is made in a natural and elegant process of embossing. At first, it's boiled and dried at very high heat, removing lints and impurities. During tumble dry, its natural shrinkage creates the distinctive wave pattern on the entire textile. Its embossed surface makes minimal contact to your skin. WaveTex dissipates body heat and keeps you cool, so you're always at the optimal temperature. The Dullo WaveTex Pillowcase is antibacterial, also super durable and lint-free. The Dullo WaveTex Pillowcase adapts to how you like to sleep, thanks to a zippable case and expandable band in the upper third of the pillow. It's made of spandex, providing the exceptional elasticity. For stomach sleepers, use the slimmer pillow for the right amount of softness and support. For side sleepers, use the bigger pillow for better spinal alignment. If you like high support, stuff it with 2 or more pillows. Don't you just love this? Oh, wait, are you a frequent traveler? Good. Cover up that who knows what happened last night pillow. Make yourself the ultimate pillow in a breeze for a good night's sleep. It's time to create the perfect sleep environment with Dullo WaveTex Pillowcase. We are here to help. Thank you, and have a good night.